In this section, we will learn how to add hyperlinks to our worksheet. Follow these steps. First, filter the data to show only the New York location. Select the filtered cells containing New York data. Go to the Insert tab and click on the Link tool, or you can press Ctrl or L+K to open the Insert Hyperlink window. In the window, you have several options: existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, and email address. I will use the existing file or web page option and paste the Wikipedia link for New York City. Now, if I click on any New York cell, it will open the browser and display the Wikipedia page. In the sheet to Names, select the name. First, copy the names to a new sheet column in the original sheet, and press Ctrl or L+K to open the Insert Hyperlink window again. This time, select Place in this document. Choose the name sheet and set the cell reference to AE1, as the names are in cell AE1. Now, when we click on a name in the original sheet, it will redirect us to the name sheet. Hyperlinks can be used for various purposes, such as linking to specific records, other sheets, or external resources. Experiment with these options to see how they can enhance your data navigation and presentation.